Hey there, it's Michael R. Hunter. In this video, we're going to talk about creating a checkout page and embedding that in your HubSpot website and processing the payment through Stripe. So if you're using Stripe and HubSpot and you're looking to take payments through your website, you're in the right place. When it comes to taking payments with HubSpot, the functionality directly in HubSpot is quite limited. There are some tools out there that you can add to your tech stack that help extend that functionality, but not all third-party tools are created equal. So it's important to know what type of functionality you need and to look for the best-in-class solution that keeps all of your data in HubSpot. So without further ado, let's dive into a quick lay of the land and then a deep dive into showing you exactly the best tool to use when it comes to taking payments with HubSpot and how to embed a checkout page right into your HubSpot website so people can come to your website and buy directly through your website. Let's jump in. All right, so I'm sure you've already searched in the HubSpot app marketplace and you've explored the options when it comes to taking payments with Stripe and using HubSpot, and the options are very limited. So just a quick overview, you have this data sync Stripe integration built by HubSpot that really just syncs data between the two systems. It doesn't actually help you take payments through the website. And you also have this Stripe payment for quotes within HubSpot integration. Again, is really useful if you use quotes, but if you are looking to put a form on your website and drive traffic to your website and convert that traffic into paying customers, again, it's not very helpful. So you have to use other third-party solutions that do not play nicely with HubSpot, and now you have your sales data in one system and all of your customer data and marketing information in another system. You're zapping things together with Zapier webhooks, and it's just a giant mess. So the solution to this is actually a tool called Spiffy Checkouts that has a direct integration with Stripe and a direct integration with HubSpot and passes all the sales data back to HubSpot contact records. You can see here in the middle the timeline events where you can click view details. It takes you right to the order records in Spiffy, so you can do things like issue refunds, full refunds, partial refunds, change the next billing date, so on and so forth. This is what a Spiffy checkout looks like on the hosted link. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a basic checkout and embed that right into HubSpot. So we have the Spiffy visual editor here where you can do things like add custom fields to collect more information. I can map these fields to custom fields in HubSpot with our integration fields here, or I can map them to contact fields, deal fields, or tickets. And I can select an existing custom field that I've created in HubSpot. And now this custom field here in Spiffy will map to that custom field in HubSpot. I can add options to my checkout. And again, I can have these selections map back to different custom fields in HubSpot. And I can offer things like payment plans, subscriptions, so on and so forth. The exciting thing here is that I can actually also trigger workflows based on a successful purchase. So when someone buys from this checkout, I can run different integration actions in our direct integrations. You can also use Zapier as well, but you're not required to use Zapier just to integrate with HubSpot. But you can start and stop workflows, add a task, add a contact from a list, create a deal, ticket, so on and so forth. So if someone buys from this checkout, we want to send them a welcome email. We want to create a deal. We want to notify their account manager. Whatever that process is for you when someone buys from a checkout, you can automate that process here directly in Spiffy. You can also set up one-click upsell pages to create a revenue optimized checkout experience where the customer buys on the original checkout and then sees post-purchase one-click upsells that they can add to their order based on how they interact with the checkout or previous upsell steps. The great thing about this is that you can embed the original checkout and build all these upsell steps using HubSpot and HubSpot's website builder as the page builder. We're going to jump over to this other Spiffy checkout right here, and we are going to embed this checkout into the HubSpot page builder. So I have a basic, super rough template here. We're going to edit this page. This could be a page on our website. It could be a dedicated landing page. And we just have some placeholder content here, but we want to embed the checkout right here. So I'm actually going to delete this and drag out a module for rich text. And basically what we're going to do is we'll publish our checkout, and we're going to copy and paste these two pieces of code over into the HubSpot landing page builder. First, we need to activate the compatibility mode. The HubSpot page builder needs compatibility mode activated to have the embed work. So we're going to copy this first piece of code over here, and we're actually going to click on this gear icon in HubSpot, click on advanced, and just put it in the head HTML area. You might have existing code in here for other things, so just be sure not to override it. Just paste it at the end of all that code. And we're going to close out of this. That should autosave. And then we're going to go back to Spiffy and copy and paste the second line of code, which is the link to the embedded form. And we're going to put that here. So we're going to delete this text. We're going to click on advanced, click source code, and just paste this right in here. Hit save. By default, it's not going to display here in the editor. You'll have to update and view the page, view the live page for the form to load. So let's, something went wrong. Let's hit update, update now. All right, we'll hit preview. And now we have our page with the Spiffy checkout loaded on this page. You can get pretty creative with how you display your checkout pages. You can actually use the HubSpot page builder to create a 2-column form where maybe you pull out a 2-column layout and you have content going down the right side, and you have the Spiffy checkout embedded on the left side. So let's just kind of drag some things around here to give you an example of what that might look like. I have no idea what this is going to look like here, but I'll click update now. And we can preview this again. And now the Spiffy page is going to load, going down the left-hand side, where your customer can easily see more information. Maybe you have guarantee badges, testimonials. You can use the content builder inside HubSpot, the drag and drop builder for content inside HubSpot, to build out the perfect checkout page and have a nice, clean, mobile optimized, conversion optimized checkout on your website that triggers all the workflows inside HubSpot. So for the sake of keeping this video short, just wanted to give you a high-level overview of some of the power that Spiffy has in combination with HubSpot. You can use Spiffy checkouts to process payments through Stripe and embed Spiffy checkouts right into HubSpot, so you can take payments through your website with a mobile optimized professional checkout experience designed to increase conversions and maximize revenue with one-click upsells. Again, you can embed the checkout in HubSpot, and you can build all of your one-click upsell pages right in HubSpot's page builder, so you can have full control over the look and feel of your entire checkout experience. Spiffy is the go-to solution for HubSpot users looking to take payments through HubSpot for things like subscriptions, payment plans, add-ons, options, one-click upsells, and is designed to increase revenue through the increase of conversions that we generate. But don't take my word for it. Take Spiffy for a test drive for 30 days, completely risk-free with our 100% money-back guarantee. Sign up for an account, go to spiffy.co/join, schedule your one-on-one onboarding call where you'll work with someone on our team to get your account integrated and your first checkout set up in just 30 minutes. Ask questions, and if in the first 30 days Spiffy is not the right tool for your business, just let us know and we'll issue a full refund. So what are you waiting for? Go to spiffy.co/join, create your account, get started today, and we look forward to seeing you as a Spiffy customer.